What if I told you your money is shrinking? No, not because you spent it. It's actually losing value just by sitting. They're quietly tucked away in your bank account. Every single day, the money you worked hard for is slowly, almost invisibly buying you less and less stuff. This sneaky culprit is called inflation. It's like a tiny, invisible leak in your financial bucket, constantly draining its worth. That $100 you have today won't buy as much next year, and definitely not as much 5 years from now. But don't panic. You're not doomed to watch your savings vanish. We're going to tackle this head-on with simple, actionable steps you can take today. We'll show you exactly how to make your cash work harder and fight back against inflation. Get ready to inflation-proof your money and protect your financial future. These aren't complicated investment schemes. They are practical, beginner-friendly strategies anyone can use to keep their cash strong. So what exactly is inflation? Imagine this. You walk into a store today with $10 and buy 5 loaves of bread, each costing $2. Easy math, right? Now fast forward 1 year. You walk into that same store with the same $10, but suddenly each loaf of bread costs $2.50. Your $10 can now only buy 4 loaves of bread. That, my friend, is inflation in action. It's when the general prices of goods and services rise over time. This means your money buys less than it used to. In simple terms, inflation slowly eats away at your money's purchasing power. Your $100 might still be $100, but its ability to buy things shrinks little by little every year. So, where do most of us keep our hard-earned cash? In a regular checking or savings account, right? It feels safe and accessible, which is great for day-to-day spending and emergencies. But here's the tricky part. Doing nothing with that cash is actually costing you money. Think of it this way. Your bank account might offer a tiny interest rate, maybe around 0.5% if you're lucky. That sounds like a little bit of growth, but inflation eats it alive. If prices are going up by 5% each year, your money is losing value much faster than it's growing. You're not just earning less, you're actively losing purchasing power. With 5% inflation and a 0.5% return, your money's value effectively shrinks by 4-5% every single year. It's like a hidden leak, silently draining your savings without you even noticing. So how do you fight back? The absolute easiest first step is moving your cash from a regular checking or savings account into a high-yield savings account, or HISA. Think of it like giving your money a much better parking spot. While an HISA likely won't beat inflation entirely, it dramatically closes the gap. Instead of earning a measly 0.5% in a traditional bank, an HISA might offer you 4% or more right now. That's a huge difference. This means if inflation is at 5%, your money in an HISA is only losing about 1% of its value, not a whopping 4-5%. It's like putting your money on a treadmill instead of letting it sit on the couch while inflation runs past. Many HISA are offered by online banks, meaning lower overhead for them and better rates for you. It's safe, insured by the FDIC, and your money is still easily accessible when you need it. So here's the absolute biggest takeaway from today. Your cash isn't just sitting there idly. It's actively losing value if you're not putting it to work for you. Don't let inflation silently eat away at your hard-earned money. You have the power to fight back, even with small steps. Moving your savings from a near zero interest account to even a high-yield savings account is a fantastic start. It's simple, low risk, and makes a real difference. Why not try moving just a small portion of your emergency fund or savings to a HISA this week? See how much more interest you can earn. It's a small change with a big impact on protecting your financial future. You've got this. Take back control of your money today. Try one of these steps and make your cash work smarter, not just harder. Subscribe to Penny Wise for more simple money wins.